All right, we're here at CES 2015, and we're talking with Franklin from Synology. So, Franklin, you want to tell us what Synology has new at the show?
Hi, Sean. Good to have you here. So we have a couple of new products that we're showcasing here at CES. We actually have the first one I like to talk about is the BeyondCloud. As you can see right here, we have it's a 2-bay solution, but it has all the storage and all of our popular applications loaded, ready to go. So as you can see right here, you have our audio station, we have cloud station, all of our standard multimedia apps. We also have Note station, all set, ready to go. So you can start using the Synology BeyondCloud, great for how to play, collaborate, and achieve. You can achieve all of these things, great things with this. So with the BeyondCloud, you put it on your network, get going, you can start accessing all your multimedia data, and with Note Station, you can start collaborating with friends and colleagues and your friends and family, and start sharing notes. You can share a project list and coordinate with everyone all involved.
So, basically what you've done is you've taken the standard disk station and you've sort of trimmed it down for the consumer. Just put the applications that most people want so that it's right there. There's no need to go in and download. It's pretty much a ready-to-go collaboration, media station, everything right out of the box.
Essentially, that's what we've done, and also one of the great things is that it basically builds the private cloud at your home network, and also at the Synology website, we have the BeyondCloud website ready to go, so you can check that out. You can check out some video tutorials, some guidelines, everything to learn how to fully maximize the capabilities and take advantage of what the BeyondCloud has to offer for your application.
Okay, and what's the price point? I mean, where do you see this coming in the market?
So for this one, it's being announced today. It should be available within the Americas soon. So we're looking at it's $180 for the 2 terabytes. That's a single bay, and then we have another single bay with 3 terabytes, and that's I think is $230. And then we have this guy right here. This is the BeyondCloud mirror. So it's a 3 terabyte mirror, and I think this is around $350. But of course, just check the website for the final, or check our resellers for the final pricing.
Okay, and so what can you tell me about the specs in here? I mean, what are we looking at as far as, processor performance, things that nature? I know it has a 1 gig Ethernet port on the back, but what else in terms of expandability, USB ports, anything like that are in here? And have you done anything to make those functions easier for the consumer?
So with the BeyondCloud, it has everything set up ready to go. So in terms of performance and specifications, it is intended for the small office. It is a small office private cloud, so maybe it was between like 5 to 30 user office. It's great for that. And in terms of USB setup, it does have USB ports on the back, as you can see right here. Great for expandability, so you can add USB drives, and if you need additional storage, you can actually just add the USB drive right here, get going with that.
Okay, sounds great. And when are these going to be available?
These will be available within this quarter.
All right, thank you. And what else do you have for us?
All right, so on the other side of the spectrum right here, excuse me a moment, I have this is the Synology DS 2015 XS. This is intended for our business customers. This is an 8-bay solution. It can scale up to 20 bays worth of storage. That's 20 times 6. Worth of storage, so 120 terabytes worth of storage right there. But the one great thing with the 2015 XS is the dual 10 gig Ethernet on the back. So this is intended for core aggregation. So basically, you lag the 2 10 gigabit ports together, and you can have that serve 21 gigabit Ethernet connections, so 21 gig computers, and they can all operate at their full potential right then and there. So it's great for creative professionals, video editing, photo editing, anything that requires high-intensive high-intensive network bandwidth.
All right, great. And obviously, this is a much, I'd say, beefier system than what we saw with the BeyondCloud. So, what type of is there anything such as SSD caching? Does this support this? I know you have your failover capability. Will this also work with that? And do you see this positioned somewhere sort of eating into the SAN market that's out there? I know the network attached storage device is not necessarily at the same category as a SAN, but do you see this positioned in such a way and have the performance level that it could eat into that in, let's say, the medium-sized business arena?
I do see that there's great potential right here. We have a lot of customers. We have customers where they might not have a lot of users, but they need a lot of bandwidth. So this is to making 10 gig more accessible to small business, because originally 10 gig was originally available on the larger systems and customers would be looking at maybe $3 or $4 grand. This one is a lot more affordable. It's under $2,000, so check it out. And with regards to SSD caching, yes, you can use SSD caching with the DS2015XS, and of course you can also use Synology high availability with it as well. So you get another 2015 XS, and I would say use the 10 gigabit ports to handle your heartbeat and sync connection, and then you can start accessing your data that way.
Right. Well, it looks like a great product. And is this one available now, or?
The 2015 XS Plus, or the 2015 XS is shipping now.
Shipping now.
Yes.
Right. Well, thank you very much, Franklin.
Thank you.